Yes.
Eh, asan ka? Sa bahay ka lang ba, Mikay? O nagtatrabaho ka pa dun sa mall? Indian Angel Vlog, hello. Saan ka, Mikay? Sa mall? Work ka pa o hindi na? So, ganun, paano maglaro? Dito, harapan dyan? Dito, ganyan, harapan. Ah, okay, okay. Kala ko dito. Oo. Hindi kasi magkaiba yung sa ano eh. Yung sa laruan niya. Ah, okay, okay. Pero regular ka dyan? Ah, okay. Paano? O, mabuti naman yun.
So,
I got it. So,
that was Carl. He's bringing up the wood tomorrow, so we're at church. I'll tape the, I gotta remember to tape the check.
Oh, why he didn't make it? What happened?
They cut off Howard to the shop.
Ano tata? Isasabihin pa. So, all good. They cut his power at his shop?
Yes, you know, they're doing the road construction coming down there.
Oh, okay. Wow. Why would they do that? That's
So Kyle,
ayan, Kettler tournament indoor. Ayan, guys. Ayan, we're trying to do this. Ayan. Made in Italy. Yan siya. Binili pa sa Italy, guys. Char. Ayan. Wow, this is very complicated to do. Han? Sige, sige, sige. Balik ka na, mag-work ka na muna. Okay lang, uy. Mikay. Share mo na lang sa mga nandyan sa kung sinong available dyan na angel. Yeah. So, okay, we need to put that one. That. Yan. I think whatever facing, we'll just push it. It's okay. And whatever available, we'll just push it. So next, yan guys, ang next na, yan, foosball. Tawag nila foosball. Pang indoor, pang winter. Ganda ng kahoy ng ano rin, no? Italy.
update tomorrow because texting me and Steve. Okay, where's she coming back?
Yeah. Go banyo. Oh, wow, there's a lot of this Kettler USA. They do foosball.
So where is it?
She find it.